So since the beginning of August 2024, there have been a lot of rumors about the new DJI Neo that's supposed to be coming out pretty soon. I've seen all kinds of pictures of boxes with what it comes with. Some say it's gonna be FPV, some say it's gonna be more of a camera drone, and speculation about what it's for and who it's for. But I'd love to take a second and tell you what I wish the Neo would be. I wish the Neo would be a mini Avata 2. It would be something that you could fly indoors, FPV. It would have the fully guarded props like the pictures are showing. It would be lightweight, sub 250 grams. It wouldn't even have to be very powerful because it's not something you would freestyle, but it would be the kind of FPV quad that you could fly around indoors, around people, and feel very safe about it. You could get it through really tight gaps and use all of your existing FPV equipment in terms of the remote control, the motion controller, in terms of the goggles, etc. And it wouldn't even need to have a great camera. It could be something that does 4K 30, 4K 60 would be amazing, but I'd certainly settle for something that even did 1080 60 if I was just using it as a little indoor FPV quad that would introduce people to FPV, allow you to fly in a stabilized mode, and maybe not even have a air mode on it. Something that you don't have to set up in beta flight, something that you can just take out and fly around indoors for fun with the existing goggles, or maybe with a cheaper set of goggles that DJI would come out with to pair with it. That's what I wish the DJI Neo would be. I don't think that's what it is, but we'll have to wait and see. Let me know what your thoughts are about the DJI Neo and what you wish it would have in terms of features. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Ready, Set, Drone.